Welcome to this brief Cash Forex project overview. The Cash Forex series of products is based in the global Forex market, the largest, most liquid financial market in the world, daily traded volume in excess of $5 trillion every single day, historically proven to be recession-proof. The market offers a great deal of flexibility with risk management, and traded capital can be leveraged to maximize gains. This is a 5-day per week, 24-hour day market. The Fx Forex Group is located in Panama City, Panama. This is where their trading floor is located and also the core of their academy as well. They have 3 partner brokers, and those partner brokers comply with a range of regulatory authorities covering most countries in the world. The mission of CashFX is to offer world-class performance coupled with an effective professional trade academy for the sole purpose of improving the financial lives of everyone in the CashFX family. The values of the company are going to be focused on transparency, honesty, and respect, and as the presentation moves forward, you'll start to see more evidence of this. The high level of trading success that CashFX has enjoyed to date has been accomplished with a combination of live professional traders, proprietary algorithms or EAs, and also an AI system as well. All the systems are managed by professional traders behind the scenes on their own trading floor with a technical team as well in an effort to ensure ongoing success. CashFX members are going to have very unique marketing tools with transparency being part of the vision of the company. These tools focus on the ability to share transparent trading. With web TV and web indicators, members and guests alike will have the ability to monitor on a regular basis actual trade results as they're happening. The Academy program is a key component to the company. Each of the trading contracts has a specific portion of the Trade Academy attached to them. The Academy curriculum, just like the trade contracts, are progressive in nature. The Academy programs are broken down into 3 series. First of all, the Elemental series, introducing you to the very basics of the world of Forex. The Supreme series, which takes you further into Forex concepts, techniques, and overall understanding, and then the Advanced Professional series for those individuals who actually intend to trade for themselves and really want to understand Forex mastery, including the psychology of professional trading and understanding the behavior and mindset of professional traders. The trade contracts begin at $300 and they range up from there. The $300 contract is 30% dedicated to the Academy Pack. The remaining $210 is added to the CashFX corporate accounts where it's traded on behalf of the members. Members may choose to earn and remain at the $300 contract, or they can take a portion of their profits and upgrade to a $500 contract. And again, 30% of the $500 contract is $150, which goes to that segment of the Trade Academy. The remaining $350 is traded on behalf of the contract holder in the Cash Forex corporate trade accounts. Members may choose to progress from there to a 1K contract, a 2K contract. The Supreme series of trade contracts further opens more of the Academy, again with 30% of the contract price, in this case $1,500 being dedicated to that section of the Academy. Of course, the remaining $3,500 is then deposited into corporate accounts and traded on behalf of the contract holder. And the same thing happens with 10K and the 20K packages. And then finally, the Advanced Professional series opens the last 3 sections of the Trade Academy. During the official launch of TradeFX, at any time, any member may choose to actually download their own MetaTrader, open their own brokerage account, API into the AIs, and control their own account while it's being traded on their behalf. The CashFX rewards plan is very simple and straightforward, but also very effective. Every member that purchases a CashFX contract has the ability to generate bear capital. Bear capital is acquired from trade results, and members can earn 2 times the value of any trade contract through bear capital. Bull capital is earned when members choose to share the CashFX program with others. Bull capital opens CashFX members to another 2 times the contract value in gains. If you choose to share CashFX with others, every contract purchased by your growing team adds to your GPV and propels you forward through the Leadership Rank program. Here's an example of a 2K contract with 30% of that 2K contract, or $600, being dedicated to the CashFX rewards plan. 100% of the $600 that's earmarked from the Academy pack goes into the CashFX plan. The first $300 is the Fast Start bonus, and the second $300 goes into the Unilevel bonus. And this is the process for each and every contract as they're purchased and then repurchased or upgraded by a member and their team. Trade results are calculated daily and accumulate through the week and can be withdrawn at the end of every trading week. While results may vary in professional Forex trading, there is a hard cap on trade result gains week by week, and that cap is set at 15% per week. Capping weekly Forex gains provides a buffer for Forex weeks that aren't as strong. And you'll recall that the accumulating trade results contribute to you doubling the value of your trade contract. Your Fast Start bonus is comprised of 50% of the value of the Academy pack. Remember, every time a trade contract is purchased, 30% of the contract value is dedicated to that section's Academy pack. And of that 30%, 100% of that value is shared between two bonuses. The Fast Start bonus is the first of those bonuses. And the second, of course, is the Unilevel bonus. Because both the Fast Start bonus and the Unilevel bonus are a byproduct of you sharing CashFX with others, the gains in both of these bonuses contribute to your bull capital, which is also 2 times the value of any particular contract. The Unilevel bonus is comprised of 10 levels in the Unilevel, with the ability, as you move through leadership ranks by accumulating GPV, you have an opportunity in this Unilevel to earn to infinity. So infinite growth on your growing team. And of course, the Unilevel also contributes to bull capital. The forced matrix is a very unique bonus because while it is part of the compensation plan, both passive bear participants and active bull participants get to benefit from the forced matrix. Every time a member joins CashFX and purchases a trade contract, that very first time they are placed inside the forced matrix. And that force matrix grows left to right, top to bottom, filled with business builders and customers alike. What's unique about this bonus is it's based on a 20% withdrawal fee every time both bull and bear customers withdraw profits from the CashFX business. Now, 100% of this 20% withdrawal fee is returned to all members. The company retains none of this 20%. It's actually distributed 3 ways. First of all, 50% of that 20% withdrawal fee goes to the matrix bonus, 10% goes to a matching matrix bonus, and the remaining 40% is for leadership rank bonuses. What's unusual about the self-perpetuating bonus is it's driven by withdrawals. As members have success both with trading and also with sharing CashFX, and they earn from either or both, every time they make a withdrawal, half of that withdrawal is earmarked for this bonus. So even as customers, passive participants have trading success and increase their contracts up the ladder over time, not only will they be making bear gains through trading results, but they will also be able to create profits for themselves from this force matrix. And as such, this force matrix does contribute to bear capital. This very unique bonus also has a matching element, so that those you've personally referred to CashFX, when they receive a matrix position and they start earning from that force matrix, as members that appear within their matrix begin to withdraw, as the referrer or sponsor, you have an opportunity to earn a 10% matrix match on every person that you've referred to Cash Forex. You'll also notice from the graphic on the right that passive customers also have a motivation to move up the ladder from one contract to the next, because doing so further unlocks multiple levels all the way down to 10 of this 3x10 force matrix. Because benefiting on a personal match requires sponsorship, this force matrix actually contributes to both bear and bull capital. Finally, the leadership program, upon company launch in fall of 2019, will announce a series of rewards and prizes as members move through this leadership program. Remember, by sharing CashFX with others, PGV is accumulated, and as such, you move your way through the leadership program. Also important to remember, as you reach the end of this leadership program, you also have the ability to unlock both 1.5 and 2% to infinity on a growing unilevel team. You also have an opportunity for leadership bonus matches as well. And as this is team building, this affects bull capital. Thank you very much for taking the time to review this presentation.